Write down the names of religious festivals. Religious festivals include ईद उल फित्र, ईद उल अज़हा, कहेंगे अज़हा लिखेंगे अधा ADHA, ठीक है। क्रिसमस, दिवाली एंड नौरोज़। Here are some sentences और अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स जो हैं उनको आपने मार्क करना है। Ali is believed. You have to been lived here. ये क्या है उसकी थॉट है, क्या है थॉट। Zen was scared. The lion. Zen was scared that the lion would kill him. Afraid. He locked up his sister and her husband in a dungeons. Imprisoned. The eagle flew into the sky. Flew into the sky. Sky changed into lightning and disappeared. Vanished. Believed, thought. Scared, afraid. Locked up, imprisoned. Disappeared, vanished. Vanished.